One minute you're smiling, next you're pulling out your hair. They call you a panda, more like a bipolar bear. So take care down there when you're in a wheelchair. No handicap ramp in and out of your lair. Your final encasement will be your mommy's basement. Have you ever had a relationship last more than 2 months? Or is it just like meth, not even once? I guess you couldn't compel her to go down to your cellar. You also had to tell her your performance isn't stellar. Your first girl cheated when she got her mucus on Lucas. In case you got amnesia, your second girl Felicia, who was no Mona Lisa, tried by all means to get in my jeans on Jerry's trampoline. Then you got to grabby on Gabby, so she let you go. Not enough dough or blow to stay a Romeo, and that's all I know about your grody ho rodeo. Your chances of romance is the only thing you have that's slim. You could have gotten trim, but you refused to join my gym. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say these girls wouldn't choose you on a whim. When asked how you two met, she said, I got my drugs from him. I knew your future was dim, and every synonym for grim. When you fell in ankle deep water and yelled, I can't swim. I know you think you're nifty, but people think you're shifty. How are you on meth and still weigh 350? What I'm trying to say is step away from the buffet. You meant to sell in floor, sway from suits to lingerie. You should stay down in the dungeon hanging clothes with Christy Kearns. You shouldn't step out into the light cause it burns. You were always wandering while spreading rumors and fiction. Your brain's not full of pondering but tumors and addiction. And you should just stop squandering your life with that restriction, cause I doubt you're conjuring a future wife with that affliction. You can blame your condition, but you're just as culpable. Your brain cells are singular, but your sclerosis is multiple. All you can do is sit back while the symptoms start to stack. But now your mom won't have to misuse that handicap plaque. What led up to your condition? We could give it a guess. Methamphetamines begins and ends with MS.